want to show you how to write a lab report. It is not really difficult. As usual, you start with your name, your partner name, and the date of the experiment, your section, and the name of your instructor, which is me, Dr. Tate. And then don't forget to write the experiment number and title. The lab report will include 5 components. The first component is called the introduction, here, as you see it here. The second component is the procedure. The third component is the data and the results, are all the way here. And the fourth called the discussion, and the fifth called the conclusion. So let's start with each component by itself. The first component is introduction. What we have to write in this introduction? Well, the introduction, you have to put your hypothesis or your goal of this experiment, what you want to reach with this experiment. In this example here, the lab report is about acid-base titration. Just write the purpose of the experiment, the goal of it, or if you have hypothesis, write it down as well. The procedure, as you can see, the procedure is you don't have to copy and paste all the steps from the lab procedure, but what you have to do, you just write the whole steps and procedures in your own words. Try not to copy and paste. The third component is the data and results. You fill in your data in all the designated tables given to you in the lab manual sheets. And if there are some calculations involved, just write down those calculations, typing, not handwritten, everything should be typed. And the fourth one is the discussion, which is given to you a theoretical value, and you have to calculate the percentage error and see your data, how it's close from the theoretical value or how far from the theoretical value, and come up with the reasoning why in each case. If your experiment is good, why, and if your experiment is bad, why. So, and then the last one is a conclusion, which is really connected to the introduction, which is in case of hypothesis, you can confirm your hypothesis or refute it or deny it, or you just, in case of task or goals you set up yourself in your experiment, then in conclusion you have to emphasize and confirm that those tasks and goals are achieved. At the end of the conclusion, if there are any pre-lab or post-lab questions, you type them in and calculate them in and post them as well. Last steps here. Last step is if you have taken any information from any reference, you have to cite it. You have to quote. You have to quote this reference at the bottom of all the sheets you have of the lab report. Thank you very much. Thank you.